to visit Extenics channel. It is a class 30. I'm continue to introduce Extenics. I've used my new book, Lambda Extenics Logic of Innovation. It is step by step to introduce the Chinese original innovation methodology. Every class, I will repeat again what is Extenics. Extension theory, extension innovation method, and extension engineering form a new science named Extenics. Extenics is an original Chinese new science discipline which studies the possibility of extending things, rules, and methodology of developing innovation with formalized pattern for solving contradiction problems. The nature of innovation started from solving contradiction. So this class we are talking about fish leg. It's like the fish leg, their relation to each other. In the real world, many things have a different relationship with each other. They are very complex and form the correlative network like fish leg. Because this is a subtle relationship between each characteristic of basic element we explained before, it will make the light butterfly effect. This conductivity makes the transformation of one object can cause other related object to change, so that it could be used to solve contradiction problem through the correlative level. Change the basic element characteristic and through the conductive effect to affect another object. One of the example people always talk about wool comes out from the prick is like the conductive effect. But the most new one in this diagram, wool comes out of the dog and pay by pig is another correlative relationship and cause the conductive effect. It is some like this one. In the product cells, there are many interdependent between different features. The conductive effect of the correlative network of the product is just as this. For example, its price is related to the quality, brand, sales volume, cost, profit, production volume, region, and time, etc. So many factors affect the price. So if we change each other, they will correlate to change the price or change other things. In the product design, as an example, if your material characteristics are changed, its rate may be reduced or later, but the cost will be changed. However, its structural strength may be reduced. So when we have the product design, we change some parameter. We have to take very carefully. When using the correlative network, it is necessary to consider whether the conductive effect has a positive effect or negative. So when you change your product design or try to solve contradiction problem, you must consider the conductive effect. Are they direct to positive effect or negative effect? Things in the world are constantly changing, so correlative networks are dynamic and change over time. For example, correlative networking is like the human people relationship from the human network. And one of the interest example in Chinese people is the superstar relationship. It's very complex like this. So different superstars have a different man and woman relationship, boyfriend or girlfriend, so very complex. So we can use the correlative level to form it and realize change one and change another. For the view product, I'm showing you the last example. It's used the shoe. It's a basic element. I form the level from their component. For example, if a lattice shoe is a basic element 1, their characteristic is a material and have a certain value. If we change it, maybe another basic element lattice shoe, and their characteristic is a comfort, maintenance, and rate will also change. You can see this is a function. Function depends on the previous basic element and their value. Change value, change this function under comfortable characteristics value. So when we list all the basic elements of your product in their part and try to find out their relationship, change one characteristic, you change another basic element characteristic based on the value and form this correlative network. It's a user computer to calculate if I change material, change the rate, change the portion, frequency, change the usage, etc. will relate to another characteristic also be changed. So it's a form the correlative network, and it can be calculated through the computer network and to see the effect of the conductive effect through this change of each component of the product. Okay, thank you for your attend this class. At the end, I will use Professor Troyman, the father of Extenics, sentence to code. Let us establish this Chinese original new science based on Extenics to achieving a culture of innovation. Thank you for your attention. Bye.